Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the top Etsy shop management tools. Whether you're a beginner seller or looking to scale your existing shop, the right tools can make a massive difference in how you manage, optimize, and grow your Etsy business. In this video, we'll explore essential tools across analytics, SEO, management, and growth strategies to help you succeed on Etsy. Today, we're breaking down 4 critical categories of tools that every Etsy seller should know about. First, analytics tools help you track performance and understand your customer behavior. Second, SEO and keyword tools optimize your listings so customers can actually find you. Third, management tools streamline your operations and save you time. And finally, growth tools help you expand your reach and increase revenue. Let's dive into each category. Analytics tools are your foundation for data-driven decisions. Etsy Stats is built right into your Etsy dashboard and tracks views, clicks, and sales for free. Allura is a premium platform that gives you advanced insights on sales trends and customer behavior. Marmalade provides comprehensive shop performance metrics and lets you see how you stack up against competitors. These tools answer the critical question: what's actually working in your shop? Search engine optimization on Etsy starts with keyword research. eRank is a powerful tool that shows you what keywords people are searching for, their search volume, and how competitive they are. Marmalade also offers AI-powered keyword suggestions tailored for Etsy. Google Trends helps you identify seasonal patterns and emerging trends before they blow up. The better your keywords, the higher you'll rank in Etsy search results. As your shop grows, you need systems to keep up. Printful handles on-demand printing and fulfillment so you don't need to stock inventory. Oberlo helps manage inventory and connects with dropshipping suppliers. Zapier is a game changer because it automates workflows between Etsy and other business tools. For example, you can automatically send customer data to your email list or update inventory across multiple platforms. Automation saves hours every week. Growing your shop requires marketing beyond Etsy itself. Social media integrations let you share your Etsy products on Instagram and Pinterest to reach new audiences. Email marketing tools help you build a customer list and send repeat sale campaigns. Canva lets you create professional graphics for your listings, social media, and promotional materials without needing design skills. These tools multiply your visibility and sales potential. When evaluating tools, focus on 4 key areas. Data and analytics should provide real-time sales tracking, traffic analysis, and conversion metrics so you understand what's working. Automation and ease of use matter because you want tools that integrate smoothly without eating up your time. Affordability is crucial, especially starting out, so look for free plans or low-cost options. And finally, support and learning resources help you actually use the tools effectively. A tool is only valuable if you can implement it. Let's talk budget. Free tools like Etsy Stats, Google Trends, and Canva's free version let you test and learn without spending money. This is where you should start. Paid premium tools like eRank, Allura, and Marmalade cost between $10 and $50 per month, but provide advanced features that free tools can't match. The best strategy is to start with free tools to establish baseline metrics, then invest in 1 or 2 paid tools based on your specific needs. As your revenue grows, you can scale up. Here's your action plan to implement these tools effectively. First, audit your current setup and identify your biggest gaps. What metrics are you missing? What decisions are you making without data? Second, start with free tools immediately. Use Etsy Stats and Google Trends to get baseline numbers at 0 cost. Third, choose one paid tool based on your primary need. If you need better analytics, pick Allura. If SEO is your weakness, go with eRank. Finally, monitor your results over 30 days and only expand your tool stack if you see positive return on investment. The right tools are game changers for Etsy sellers. Start with free analytics to identify your biggest bottleneck. Then invest in one premium tool that directly addresses that specific need. Measure your results and expand from there. Remember, the goal isn't to use every tool available. The goal is to use the right tools that save you time, give you better data, and ultimately help you make more sales. Now it's time to go implement what you learned. Good luck with your Etsy shop, and thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.